Right now, try to figure out how to put a lawnmower on. What are you looking for? A battery or something?
I'm looking for the oil button.
For the oil button? What do you need
Yeah.
an oil button for?
To pump the oil.
Why?
Because it's not turning on with this.
You don't pump oil with that.
Yes, you do.
No, you don't.
Yes, you. There's an oil thing right there.
I know, that's for you to put oil, not to pump the oil.
Then how do I pump it?
You don't pump it. You just pull it the same way you're doing it.
No. Because
Yes.
that's not working.
You have to pull, you see the thing on the top? The little palanca on the top. That, push it down. Now pull it. Wow! Don't let it go. You gotta keep press it. Yeah, that's like the on thing. Wow!